a strong verbal or written attack on someone or something polemic. विवादात्मक लेख या भाषण, the ability to speak several languages, polyglottism, बहुभाषिता, a belief in the worship of more than one god, polytheism, bahudevvad, a painting, photograph or drawing of a person, especially of the face portrait, chitra. Tasveer, a temporary police force posse, asthai police dal, a book of low quality produced quickly to get money, potboiler, पैसे कमाने के लिए जल्दबाजी में बनाई गई कृति. The quality of being easy to predict, predictability, पूर्वानुमान योग्यता, a sign or warning of something to come, presage, पूर्वाभास, able to foretell what will happen in future, prescient, दूरदर्शी, based on an assumption, without proof, presumably, अनुमानतः, the act of speaking or acting in an evasive way, prevarication, बहानेबाजी या टालमटोल, the right of succession to the firstborn, primogeniture, बड़े बेटे को विरासत मिलने का अधिकार, an official statement, proclamation, घोषणा, a person whose job is to supervise students during examinations, proctor, परीक्षा निरीक्षक, the habit of spending money, wastefully, prodigality, फिजूल खर्ची, a descendant of a person, animal or plant, offspring, progeny, vanshaj, santan, an explosive for firing a bullet or a rocket propellant, गोली या रॉकेट में आगे धकेलने वाला पदार्थ, ईंधन, relating to or accurately predicting the future, prophetic, भविष्य सूचक, ordinary, and not especially interesting or unusual, prosaic, साधारण. Neerus, the act of officially forbidding something, prescription, निषेध, प्रतिबंध, to cut away dead parts of a plant, prune, छांटना, relating to physical illness or symptoms that are caused by the mind, psychosomatic, मानसिक कारणों से उत्पन्न शारीरिक बीमारी, inclined to argue or fight readily, pugnacious, झाड़ाव, झगड़ालू, to strike repeatedly with the fists, pummel, लगातार मुक्का मारना, to remove people or things from an organization or place in a sudden and violent way, purge, निकाल फेंकना, the scope or range of authority, influence or understanding, purview, अधिकार या समझ का दायरा, the art of making fireworks and showing them in public, pyrotechnics, आतिशबाजी बनाने की कला, a situation in which you are confused about what to do, quandary, duvidha, a stanza or poem of 4 lines, quatrain, chaupai, the 500th anniversary of something, quincentenary, 500वीं वर्षगांठ, violent and uncontrolled anger, rage, क्रोध, थे. Establishment of harmonious relations between countries or groups previously in conflict, rapprochement, संबंध सुधार, a person who accepts facts and is practical realist, यथार्थवादी व्यक्ति, थे. Act of withdrawing a statement or belief publicly, recantation, बयान वापस लेना, a preliminary survey or inspection, recce, जांच पड़ताल, without thinking of the consequences, reckless. लापरवाह, an activity done for enjoyment, recreation, manoranjan, an institution to which young offenders are sent as an alternative to prison, reformatory, sudhar grah, at uniform intervals of time. Regularly, niyamit रूप से, the belief that people are born again with a different body after death, reincarnation, punarjanm, to voluntarily give up or surrender something, relinquish. Tyagna, the action of correcting a fault or deficiency, remediation, sudhar, to recall past experiences with fondness, reminisce, purani baatein yaad karna, showing no regret or guilt for wrongdoing. Remorseless, जिसे पछतावा न हो, the act of giving up something, renunciation, त्याग, an official order to supply or use something, requisition, आधिकारिक मांग, able to find clever ways to solve problems, resourceful, सूझबूझ वाला, the return of lost or stolen property, or compensation for damage, restitution, वापसी, भरपाई, a person or business that sells goods to the public retailer, khudara vikreta, a small handbag carried by women reticule, महिलाओं का छोटा बैग, to reduce costs or spending retrench. कटौती करना, a severe deserved punishment retribution, दंड. उचित सजा, return to earlier state retrogression, पतन, पीछे की ओर जाना, the act of hurting someone in return revenge, बदला, to officially cancel or withdraw an agreement, decision. और promise revoke, रद्द करना, a person who engages in revolutionary, क्रांतिकारी व्यक्ति, an expression of great enthusiasm or praise rhapsody, अत्यधिक प्रशंसा, the branch of medical science that deals with the study and treatment of the nose rhinology, नासिका विज्ञान, a luxurious hotel or establishment. Symbol of elegance Ritz, आलीशान जगह, a small raised platform on a stage rostrum, मंच, a request to reply to an invitation RSVP, आमंत्रण का उत्तर देने का अनुरोध, a person who deliberately tries to destroy or damage something. Especially public property saboteur, तोड़फोड़ करने वाला, enjoyments that someone gets from being violent or cruel or from causing pain sadism, पीड़ा से आनंद पाने की प्रवृत्ति. The ability to stay calm in a difficult situation Sigmund Freud, धैर्य, an object orbiting a planet satellite, उपग्रह, to walk in a slow relaxed manner saunter, इत्मीनान से चलना. टहलना, a person who is very knowledgeable and is an expert in a particular subject savant, विद्वान, to put an end to something scotch, समाप्त करना, a person or thing that causes suffering. Scourge, आफत, a board game in which players build up words from small size lettered tile Scrabble, शब्द बनाने का खेल, to move or climb quickly but with difficulty. Often using your hands to help you scramble, जल्दबाजी में चढ़ना, a person who writes or copies documents scribe, लिखने वाला व्यक्ति, an apparatus used for breathing underwater scuba, पानी के अंदर सांस लेने का उपकरण, scuba, to move hurriedly with short quick steps scurry, तेजी से भागना, the scientific study of the moon selenology, चंद्र विज्ञान, the scientific study of meaning in language semantics, शब्दार्थ विज्ञान, similarity of appearance semblance, समानता का आभास, a training college for priests seminary, धर्म शिक्षा का संस्थान, a family of languages that includes Hebrew Semitic, Semitic जाति, भाषा से संबंधित, a religious discourse sermon, उपदेश, the 150th anniversary of something sesquicentennial, 150वीं वर्षगांठ, a large area of land where sheep are kept for grazing sheep run, भेड़ चारागाह, a bad-tempered or aggressively assertive woman shrew, झगड़ालू महिला, a partner in a business who takes no active part in its management sleeping. Partner, निष्क्रिय साझेदार, a lazy and inactive person sluggard, आलसी, to sleep lightly or peacefully slumber, हल्की नींद सोना, having or showing an excessive pride in oneself or one's achievements smug, आत्मसंतुष्ट, घमंड से, an explosive sound made through the nose snot, नाक से फुफकारना, the state of being serious in calm sobriety, संयम, something that gives feeling of comfort solace, सांत्वना, being the only one soul, एकमात्र, false but seemingly plausible species, भ्रामक, to flow out quickly or to make something flow out quickly. In large amounts spew, जोर से निकलना, occasionally, at irregular intervals sporadically, कभी कभी, active and lively spry, फुर्तीला, to make a loud harsh cry squawk, कर्कश आवाज निकालना, a fully grown male horse kept for breeding stallion, नर घोड़ा, a plan of action to achieve a goal strategy, रणनीति, a leisurely walk stroll, सैर, a trick or a dishonest way of achieving something subterfuge, छल, the highest point of a mountain summit, शिखर, To order someone to appear summon, bulana, the close observation of a person or place, especially to detect illegal activity surveillance, nigrani, a group of individuals or organizations combined to promote a common interest syndicate, Sangh, a brief summary of something synopsis. Saransh, reserved and not talkative taciturn, kam bolne wala, one behind another. Together tandem, ek ke piche ek. Kram mein, a place where animal hides are treated tannery, chamara karkhana. The quality of being determined tenacity, drirta, the period of holding a position tenure, karyakal, a written declaration of beliefs or final wishes. Especially a will testament, vasiyat. Praman, an extreme fear of death thanatophobia, mrityu bhai, a political system based on the government of men by God theurgy, Ishwar ka shasan, a marriage between gods or between a god and a mortal. Theogamy, dev vivah, an extreme fear of becoming pregnant tocophobia, garbhdharan ka dar, an outstanding or impressive achievement toward the force, shandar pradarshan, asadharan uplabdhi, a person who travels to a foreign country for pleasure or cultural exchange. Tourist, paryatak, movement of something from one place to another. Translocation, sthanantaran, a formal piece of writing that considers and examines a particular subject treatise, kisi vishay par aupcharik lekh, a plain card of the suit chosen to rank above others. A decisive advantage trump, turup ka patta, nirnayak labh, swollen or distended turgid, suja hua. Fula hua, the art of arranging printed text in an attractive and readable form. Typography, mudran kala, existing or being everywhere at the same time. Ubiquitous, ek hi samay mein har jagah maujood, beyond one's legal power or authority. Acting beyond legal authority. Ultra vires, adhikar kshetra se bahar, fully agreed upon by all. Unanimous, sarvsammat, working in a job that does not fully use one's skills or abilities. Underemployed, alprojgar, not capable of being proved false and falsifiable, galat sidha na kiya ja sakne wala, impossible to understand, unintelligible, samajh mein na aane wala, poorly educated or illiterate. Unlettered, unpar, a major change or disturbance, especially one causing confusion, upheaval, uthal puthal, the killing of one's wife, exoricide, patni ki hatya, not exact or clear, vague, aspasht, great courage in battle, valor, veerta, the native language or dialect of a region. Vernacular, sthaniya bhasha, experienced through another person. Vicarious, paroksh, dusre ke anubhav se, in a manner experienced through another person. Vicariously, paroksh roop se, a short descriptive piece of writing or acting about a person, place or event. Vignette, laghu varnan, sankshipt chitran, physical strength and energy, vigor, josh, doing something out of free will voluntarily, swechhapurvak, the opinions or beliefs of the majority. Public opinion. Vox populi, janmat, amusing and strange, wacky, majedar or ajeeb, a place with circular currents of water, which can pull objects down into it. Whirlpool, bhavar, an extreme fear of arid or dry places. Xerophobia, shushk sthano ka bhai, the general intellectual, moral and cultural climate of an era. Zeitgeist, kisi samay ki soch or sanskriti, a soft, gentle breeze, named after the Greek god of the west wind, therefore, Mandhava, Greek devta ke naam par.